So this is going to be a very English video. Someone messaged me to say that this if any name is that I haven't said anything about it. I did 2 years ago. 2 years ago, I told us to be very careful because somebody is going to wake up one day and say the audacity. I even talked about how certain aspects of the law in Nigeria criminalizes ATR and ordinary and ominani, equal for equal, all those kind of things. So I also talked about how Mbosiwaga Putalani Ije. No, I'm gonna see that no near differently with the Christians, no near differently with Nanke Ade Atokoku, that it will be collective. And 2 years down the line, look at what is happening. But now the common denominator name Kaina Anogu inside. Nine Kaina no so when you go no what did no last and Ezewanyi Jimenken and Ezewanyi Jimenkoza. And then I've seen so many takes, I've seen so many hot takes in the video. And what you cause. Need I remind you, Nanina Bahwaful. God in Bunun will look go not dembo, Nanina Bahwaful. No game will big a loop before a jede bakwai. Ani Bundina Bahwaful. Let's do a quick history lesson. Can you cha? Sebo Ebo Wasibia. Bia double boa nasaba. Before we je Igbo left, je Igbo right. Kwa puta kudu enye, they got the shock of their lives. Makana umwani ndi Igbo nekwoku. They had a say. Umwani were on the governing councils. They had their husbands' ears. Waka say now Ogusieke is Umwani. What did you think that meant? Because there was an elite squad of soldiers who did the dirty doings. Stories they about them unamado stories. Since I'm the custodian of forgotten history and traditions, let me remind you. Unama the story of football gede. No one yawano. Omwanya wa. Ofuni weje butupo. Oti ego ife no owo. Biajenye ndi soldiers wo. There's a reason why we don't say certain things. Makana wamali kisi keke wamali kwa kisi kwa debeli. So phone snowfebe tike person na ndeze wani with the problem unekweli. Nana no so muno. Ani love go that na mad no udile akoko mani gabi akwale maka wane isi akomos nebe pwa kunye pwale no mange wulo okpo sukopu yo no ozigbo. Then you know is one day you're fighting the wrong people. When these people came from wherever they came from, they saw that Igbo women had earth. We were part of the ruling councils. We had opinions. What did they do? And if you believe epigenetics and you know that, there's a reason why all Igbo people wouldn't work at the it's because of this reason. Especially the women, they documented it that they had to craft a new set of Igbo women that will fit the men that they were converting. Because Oboluna the woman, you know, Oboluna the one in Enukwisi, in their own definition of Enukwisi, that is being your normal self. About this new identity one year with it, right? Let's not forget now when the CMS came here that it was a see what I'm holding, but for you to go to trade school, for you to go to all of those things, you must denounce yourself, denounce your family, denounce your traditions to go to these schools. Let's not act like they came and they brought these things freely, that there were no conditions attached to it, because there were conditions attached to it. So onye bonye wana asịrị dị so dlasị ga-eme ofu mbọsị chapụta ịchakwasị nwanne anyị bụ ndị na-agba ahụ afụlụ na anyị yiba akwa bụ kịta ka anyị yiba akwa maka because they couldn't stand it. They were raping women because they couldn't stand the level of beauty that was about. In African Dimbo City built. We are built ugly now. In African Dimbo City built. Mwani Bafa, 6 feet heavy, looking nice shape. Then tomorrow you wake up and say, my ancestors answered prayers. Yes, you are your ancestors answered prayers, but some of you's ancestors are sellouts. Let's not forget that part. And except we come together to change things, if somebody woke up from somewhere to come and ask you who gave you the audacity to practice your tradition, instead of you to fight the person and ask the person who gave you the audacity to talk to us, people are fighting inside the house. Don't try it next time. And that's actually the message from the spirits. So that's my contribution. I said it 2 years ago and I'm saying it again now. And also, ọdún ọfụma ọnụ gwa ka ole ka ahụ dị anyị niile mma ka ife ọma lụọ enyi ahụ ka ife lụbata ka ofe bịa ka wele bịa ka ife niile anyị na-ayọ lụọ enyi aka so n'ọdụ mma ekwusịghọkwa mgberi. So yeah, if you have a larger platform and you think that what I said made a lot of sense, please share.